I think the RegTech market over the last few years has evolved quite significantly. We've seen some new entrants come into the market in terms of solutions, and we've seen also an increased focus upon how to handle the basic data that is required to deal with a lot of regulatory change. And that's where I think where the opportunity is for organisations to be able to deal more strategically with the changing regulatory landscape. It's always evolving, it's always going to evolve for the foreseeable future, and a lot of RegTech solutions are point-based, dealing with one particular regulatory initiative. That's useful, but it's creating a lot of cost and a lot of overhead within organisations who have to then maintain those solutions in the future. So we would see, from our customers' perspective as well, having a more data-driven platform approach to dealing with regulation is the more efficient and cost-effective way of doing things, and that's going to evolve itself in the future. Well, I would say that there are two key issues affecting the industry today. One of those is the breadth and depth of regulation that is coming. We did a study earlier this year which found that for the end of 2021, for both sell-side and buy-side firms, 374 different regulatory initiatives are coming down the track that would have to be addressed. So it's the depth and the breadth of regulation. And secondly, the other main issue is cost. How do you deal more cost effectively with the regulation that's coming and the way that it will inevitably evolve? And so often organisations have taken a deadline-driven, siloed-based approach to deal with particular regulatory initiatives. They need to look at things more strategically, taking a more data-driven approach to deal with not only what's coming today, but then being able to evolve how they use that data into what's coming tomorrow. So at MarkLogic, we help firms solve their RegTech issues by enabling them to integrate their data from their existing systems. There may be hundreds within a firm which have data in them, which is critical for dealing with a particular regulatory initiative. So we enable organisations to obtain a 360 view of that data, and we enable them to deal with their data in a much more agile fashion than conventional data management systems. So they can respond and deal with new data initiatives in weeks rather than months or even years with more conventional systems.